To clean a new septum piercing, do a sea salt soak at least 3 times a day for the first month. Dissolve about 1/4 teaspoon, 1.4 grams of sea salt, in 8 ounces, 30 milliliters of warm water. Dip your nose into the solution and keep it there for 5 to 10 minutes. If that's too uncomfortable, soak a cotton ball in the sea salt solution and hold that against your piercing instead. When you're done, gently clean any crust away from the piercing with a cotton swab dampened with the sea salt soak. Don't touch the piercing any more than necessary, and use mild skincare products on your face to minimize irritation. Avoid swimming until the piercing is fully healed. If you notice signs of an infection, such as pain, pus, or worsening redness or swelling around the piercing, see your doctor.